I like to collect things, and there is one phase where I collect a lot of mineral water bottles, like a lot. Not just mineral water bottles, okay? It's unique one. Ada kaca, ada plastic, any sort of bottles that look really nice. And I found this in Japan. Ta-da! It looks so unique because I can assure you that you can never find this anywhere else except in Japan, because it looks like a Mount Fuji. So it looks so good, and I kept it. Plus it's natural vanadium water from Japan, Mount Fuji. And now when I singgah Shell that day untuk isi minyak, I found this. Ta-da! When I look at this, of course I said I want one, but then I want two. So I thought maybe I'm gonna stop there. I want 3. Yep, I have 3 of these now. So if you want to see more of this and you don't want to miss any of my future uploads, make sure you like this video and subscribe. So if you have not seen the past 2 unboxing videos I did, make sure you guys check out my channel, because I already upload that. And today we're going to unboxing this. So this car is a Hyundai i20 Coupe WRC. I've never seen this car before, but it looks really nice. So we're gonna unbox this today. So if you don't know what this is a remote control car that Shell sells or release weekly, different types of cars, and you can control it with your phone. There's an app that you can download that they will give you in a QR code, or you can just search Shell Racing. But I bought this because it looks good on the shelf. So we're gonna open this right now. Slowly we're going to open this. Unboxing for the 3rd time. Wow. I guess I don't know if it's just me, but every new car that I bought looks better than before. I thought this was just gonna be like boring looking car, but it looks good. So kita akan pakai tool kita ni. Dia dah function for 2 weeks, so the 3rd time I'm sure it's gonna function lagi. Ta ta ta. Oh. Ta ta ta. Ooh. Ta 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 ta. Wow, this time kali ni susah pula. Okay, berjaya. Ta 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 ta. First of all, the first thing I see is it's light blue color, and dia punya side mirror dia getah juga. Dia ada i20 kat depan. I don't know what that is, but dia nampak macam it is a Hyundai car, and looks really nice. Tengok ni. Oh, tayar dia merah depan and then biru kat belakang. It's different. In case if you don't know how to get this, you have to pump at dekat Shell 50 ringgit, and then you can buy this car for 30 ringgit. And also, of course, there's battery. I forgot to tell you. You have to put the battery inside here. Okay, so this white thing is the battery, and harga dia is also 30 ringgit, and you can buy it when you pump 50 ringgit. You can buy this satu je, because if you are controlling satu kereta at once, then satu je. But if you want to buy a lot of these, then up to you. But I don't recommend lah, because you're not gonna play with all of the cars at once, right? So you just have to masukkan bateri ni dekat bawah ni. Masukkan bateri bawah ni, pump, and then switch it on. Let's take this for a test drive. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, And make sure you guys like this video and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next unboxing video of the next car that I'm gonna buy. And I'm not planning on stopping now, so make sure you guys subscribe because you're gonna see every single car from Shell. And somehow this latest car is my favorite. I don't know why, but the color is so nice. I like the F1, but I mean the Formula E, but this thing is a different breed. So definitely one of now is my latest favorite. Out of these three now, which one is your favorite? Comment down below. Which one is your favorite? Either this one, the Hyundai car, or this one, F1, or the BMW car down here. So which one is your favorite out of these three? Make sure you guys comment down below. Till then, I'll see you next week on the next unboxing video. Bye bye.